this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this we're going to show you from where you can download Linux, that is Ubuntu last version, and also how you can make a bootable drive to install it in your computer. So for this purpose you have to open any browser, Google Chrome, Firefox, whatever. Type Ubuntu download. So you see here I have Ubuntu download, Ubuntu desktop operating system, whatever you like. Go inside the page, you see download Ubuntu here. The last version should be is free sources Linux always, so you don't need to pay anything. Hit download Ubuntu, and one more time you see 6 GB, so you need a pen drive. 16 GB it will be better in this case. 8 it will be fine. Hit download. You don't need to do anything here. You can check download option in your PC should it started. You can see here Ubuntu is downloading 5.7 GB, 24-25 minutes, velocity 4.6 MB. Depends which type of internet you have, the velocity would be. Here is the folder where Ubuntu is downloaded. Now we have to put this one in a bootable flash drive. So how we can prepare? So now we need Rufus for flash the image of Ubuntu in the USB drive. So go to Google Chrome, write Rufus, download. Go inside the page of Rufus, should be look as this, some ad at the bottom. Go more down. Here you have download option, Rufus 4.5 64-bit standard. I hit this one. Some ad appear, you can close this one, and here at the corner is done. When it's done, hit to install, hit yes. Is done. So you have Rufus in your computer. So take any USB drive, should be 8 GB or more, and connect in your computer any USB port. Here the drive I want to select, no level, 16 GB of drive is selected here. This is my drive, and I hit the image I want to select. So hit button here, select. Go to Ubuntu where you have download place. I have Ubuntu, I hit this one, scanning image, everything is fine. BIOS. Only one thing I would like to change here, I put FAT30 to default option here, and I hit start the button. ISO image recommended, the first one, I hit OK, warning. Let's see, it will delete the partition of my drive. You see, deleting partition, this may take a while. We are almost there, 99.5%. Is done here. Now close this. It's over. So Ubuntu is here. Now you can install to any computer Ubuntu. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.